house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beauty focus EOU. Ooh, you, ooh, I'd leave it all. My acres of land I've achieved. It may be hard for you to stop and believe, but for you, ooh, I'd leave it all. Ooh, for you, ooh, I'd leave it all.
My bubble snap. This is terrible. So I've just brought you back to show you this field that we've burnt off. Roy has now mucked it. To be fair, he mucked it pretty much straight away. Just showing you the grass is completely dying.
If you just say the words, I'll up and run over to you. Ooh, I'd leave it all. Over you, ooh, I'd leave it all. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Baby, if you want me, then all of this will go away. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Baby, if you want me, then all of this will go away.
Videoing this makes it twice as long. Oh my god, it's taking forever. I'm just gonna have to get on. The noise. Trolley. Umbrella, do 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 do, hoofy, hoofy, hoofy umbrella. Behold. Oh my God, who is she? Who is she? Look at this goddess with a bum bag, fanny pack. Yes. Lost the dog. When?
I know my beauty focused EOU.
Who? Where?
Ooh, for you.
Ah! I've got a present. Oh, is it tasty? Is that tasty? Cankle. Seriously, if he wasn't that cute, like, I'd have strangled him by now. Yeah. No joke.
My acres of land I've achieved. It may be hard for you to stop and believe, but for you, ooh, I'd leave it all.
So to buy, this is actually interesting because you don't normally see them in the same shed at all. So this here is the beef animal that we breed. These are our heifers. Bear in mind these are heifers. If you look at them, and then these are dairy. These are Montbelliards. And if you look, that's a fair beefy one though. But now the cows have gone, we can take the bullocks out of here and just give them a little bit more room. So we've just separated them into the feed passage and we're just going to send them up the yard.
Give me one good reason why I should never
Come on, boys.
make a change. Baby, if you want me, then all of this will go away. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Baby, if you want me, then all of this will go away.
put on the field that's going to be ploughed. It's already been mucked, but we're mucking it a little bit more.
Baby, if you owe me, then all of this will go away. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Baby, if you owe me, then all of this will go away.
So Roy is just mucking this out. I'm standing guard badly, but I'm standing guard all the same. It's all that counts. And then we're going to go quickly spread the muck on the field, and then hopefully I can catch Ernie ploughing. But I haven't actually asked him when he's doing it, so I might miss him. It's always me running across the field. I'm running, aren't I? So all of this muck here is going to get ploughed into the ground. This is thicker than what you would usually put it on a field, obviously, and it's going to give that natural fertiliser that only muck, is a natural goodness that ruck muck provides. Rough muck. Oh, Malcolm's got bullocks out and the cows are taking an interest. Eek! People on YouTube don't really understand how long ago Roy and Harold were. It belonged to Roy and Harold, that was my reply. How many years? 50. And we're doing it. If I can get hold of this rock. Because it's tired, for one. And it literally, for a sizable field, it doesn't sustain cattle for more than a fortnight. It's that bad. It just isn't pulling its weight. So, reseeding it is the only way. Our neighbour Malcolm's just put some bullocks out, and all the cows are quite excitable.
My friends and family, they don't understand. They fear they'll lose so much if you take my hand, but for you, I'd lose you.
Thanks, Roy. Thanks.
For you, I'd lose you. Give me one good reason why I should.
I'm just moving any sticks and rocks and things out of the way. Just told him to drive around a bit because there's like literal shit stuck to his tyres, and it's all going to end up on the lane, and then I'll come down in the car on school run, and it does happen. So he's just having a little whiz around the field to try and flick some muck off. Why is it always me running across a field?
I'd leave it all. Oh, for you, I'd leave it all. My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beauty focused EOU. I'd leave it all. My acres of land, by the cheap. It may be hard for you to stop and believe, but I'd leave it all. Oh, for you, I'd leave it all.
Multicoloured mushrooms. I don't trust brown mushrooms, never mind multicoloured ones. That looks scary. It's not a quick thing ploughing, is it? I'm really hungry. Oh, it's done. Oh, that's exciting.
I'll up and run to you. Ooh, I divido. Over you. Ooh, I divido. Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Baby, if you owe me, then all of this will go away.
If you'd have told me 10 years ago I would be sat in the rain watching somebody plough a field, I would have called you a liar. Hello! In the countryside, they are more frequent than buses.
My friends and family, they don't understand. They fear they'll lose so much if you take my hand, but for you, ooh, I'd lose it all. Ooh, for you, ooh.
This is dedication, this is.
Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Baby, if you owe me, then all of this will go away. Give me one good reason.
Everything's rainy. So Ern's just finished ploughing, and next we're gonna power harrow. We're going to power harrow. Got there eventually. Power harrow next, and then I'm gonna put some lime on the seed bed, and then we're gonna put some seed in. So yeah, I'll document the whole process and make a new video with it all on, but I'll put this in today's, day in a life video. Vlog. My wreath's standing up well. Do you like it? So creative. Honest to God, look at me. I'm an absolute sprout. Oh, who's she? Oh my God, I'm so embarrassing.
No, I liked your hair then. It was more.
With my hair now?
She looks better than you.
That is me.
It's all wool. Those are wolves, yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
Give me one good reason why I should never
Yeah. Sure, that's fantastic pitch. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Make your way back to the arse room.
Baby, if you owe me, then all
Maybe, not slightly bonkers, in a lovely way.
Yeah. Really interesting material though.
In all seriousness, and I will tell you this now, being on that programme 2 years ago meant that I did not have to go and get a job and leave the farm. So without doing that programme that you can go and watch on iPlayer, without doing that, I would have had to have gone and got a proper job, and we wouldn't have been able to do quite what we've done on the farm like we've done it. So do you know what? I am so thankful that I took part in it.
Nice to see that.
Oh look, I look so young.
Well, really, right at the start, I would.
And small. Why am I so small? Oh my God, the suspense. I didn't know what was coming.
Is that bad?
I knew it was bad, but I didn't think it was that bad.
Like, how close can I get without getting rotivated? This close?
My friends and family, they don't understand. They fear they'll lose so much.
Spinny thingies. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I better go because Boy's doing all the work and I'm just fannying in a field. Yeah.
Give me one good reason why I should never make a change. Baby, if you owe me, then all of this will go away. My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beautiful Castillo. Ooh, I'd leave it all. Oh, for you, I'd leave it all.